Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm showing you 10 game-changing tools that will make woodworking, electrical work, and home projects faster, easier, and way more precise. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a pro, these tools are going to save you time and frustration. Let's dive in. Number 1. When you're working with wood, accuracy isn't just nice to have, it's everything. That's where the precision woodworking square really shines. Unlike flimsy rulers that bend or warp, this square is carved from solid cast aluminum, giving it a weight and stability you can feel the moment you pick it up. At over 4 pounds, it sits firmly on your work surface, letting you mark perfect 90-degree angles without slipping. The clever shoulder lip design means it lays flat so you can mark either edge with confidence. And when you're setting up machines like a table saw or jointer, it stands upright on its own, freeing your hands for adjustments. The laser-engraved scales are crisp and easy to read, even in dim light or for older eyes. It's not just a measuring tool, it's a reliable partner that helps your projects look professional, precise, and built to last. Number 2. Hanging pictures straight on the wall sounds simple, but we all know how frustrating it can be. You measure, you hammer, and somehow the frame still ends up crooked. That's where the level ruler picture hanging tool comes in. It combines a ruler, a built-in bubble level, and even a magnetic nail holder into one smart device. Instead of juggling a tape measure and hammer, you just line it up, mark your spot, and press. It's almost like using a stapler. The magnetic cylinders keep nails steady so your fingers stay safe and your walls stay clean. Whether you're creating a gallery wall, hanging a clock, or putting up a canvas, this tool ensures everything is perfectly aligned. And with its modular design, you can handle both wide frames and small portraits with ease. It's a simple solution that takes the guesswork out of home decor. Number 3. Sometimes the problems in your home or workshop aren't visible to the naked eye. That's where the GT14S thermal imaging camera steps in. This compact device, weighing less than half a pound, lets you see heat patterns in real time. Whether it's spotting insulation gaps, checking HVAC performance, or diagnosing electrical hotspots. With its dual modes, you can scan entire areas using thermal imaging or switch to thermometer mode for quick, precise readings. The wide field of view makes it easy to cover large spaces, while customizable alerts notify you instantly if temperatures go beyond safe limits. It's simple to use, with intuitive buttons and multiple color palettes that highlight problem areas clearly. From kitchens to car engines, this tool helps you catch issues before they become costly repairs. It's like having a second set of eyes that sees what you can't. Number 4. Electrical problems in cars, boats, or trailers can be some of the most frustrating issues to track down. Wires run behind dashboards, under carpets, and through tight spaces, making it nearly impossible to know where the fault lies. The Automotive wire tracer changes that. By sending a signal through the wire, the probe lets you follow its path and quickly pinpoint breaks, shorts, or open circuits without stripping insulation or tearing things apart. In continuity mode, you'll know instantly if a wire is intact or broken. Switch to tone mode, and the receiver guides you with sound, getting louder over healthy sections and fading near the fault. It's simple, safe, and saves hours of guesswork. Whether you're fixing a blown fuse, chasing a current leak, or diagnosing a tricky connection, this tool gives you clarity and confidence when working with vehicle wiring. Number 5. Finding studs behind drywall can feel like a guessing game, but the Magnetic Stud Finder PRO makes it simple and reliable. Reinforced with 3 strong neodymium magnets, it detects nails and screws deeper than most standard finders, giving you confidence that you're drilling into solid support. No batteries, no beeping. Just slide it across the wall until you feel that magnetic pull. It works through paint, wallpaper, even light plaster, so you don't have to worry about surface finishes. The transparent design and built-in arrows make it easy to pinpoint exactly where to drill, without leaving marks or scratches. And because it's larger than typical stud finders, it covers more wall with each pass, saving time and frustration. Whether you're mounting a TV, hanging shelves, or tackling a renovation, this tool takes the guesswork out of locating studs and keeps your projects safe and secure. Number 6. Cutting straight lines with a circular saw can be one of the toughest challenges in woodworking. Even a slight wobble can ruin a project. That's why the circular saw guide rail is such a game changer. Built from durable stainless steel, it locks into place and gives your saw a stable path to follow, so every cut comes out clean and precise. The adjustable positioning calipers make setup quick and easy, with clear markings that help you measure accurately without second-guessing. No tools required, just attach, adjust, and start cutting. It fits most circular saws, making it versatile for beginners and pros alike. And because it holds materials securely, you don't have to worry about slipping or uneven edges. Whether you're building furniture, tackling home renovations, or working on DIY projects, this guide rail turns your saw into a precision instrument, saving time and boosting confidence. Number 7. Locating the right circuit breaker can be a real headache, especially when you're working in a busy panel. The Kywit circuit breaker finder makes that process quick and stress-free. With a simple 2-step scan, it learns the circuit and then pinpoints the exact breaker. No fiddling with sensitivity or endless trial and error. The receiver gives you both bright LED indicators and a clear audible beep, so you know instantly when you found the right one. It even has a built-in flashlight, perfect for dim basements or tight electrical boxes. The transmitter doubles as a GFCI outlet tester, with dual-sided LED indicators that show wiring conditions clearly, no matter how the outlet is oriented. That means you can check for faults, confirm protection, and troubleshoot wiring all with one compact kit. Whether you're a homeowner or an electrician, this tool saves time and adds peace of mind. Number 8. Measuring a room or lining up furniture doesn't have to be a hassle. The Fantic A11 Ultra makes it simple by combining 3 powerful tools into one compact device: a laser distance measurer, a digital angle sensor, and a rolling wheel for curves and irregular shapes. With its bright IPS touchscreen and side display, you get clear readings even in daylight, and the vibration feedback makes it feel intuitive, almost like using a smartphone. Accuracy is impressive whether you're checking square footage, leveling shelves, or mapping out tricky corners. It even stores your data with timestamps, so you can keep track of measurements for later. And with a rechargeable battery that lasts for thousands of measurements, you won't be left scrambling for replacements. From home inspections to DIY projects, this tool takes the guesswork out of measuring and gives you confidence in every project. Number 9. Working around electricity can be intimidating, and for good reason. Safety always comes first. The Kywit's non-contact voltage tester pen helps take the worry out of electrical work by letting you detect live wires without ever touching them. Rated Cat 4 1000 volts, it meets strict safety standards and is built with double insulation for extra protection. Just bring the probe near outlets, switches, or cords, and it instantly alerts you with a red light, a buzzer, and a clear LCD display showing signal strength. You can even switch between 2 sensitivity ranges, one for household wiring and another for lower voltage devices like thermostats or doorbells. The built-in flashlight makes it easy to work in dark breaker panels or basements, and its pocket-sized design means you'll always have it handy. Whether you're a professional electrician or tackling home repairs, this tester adds confidence and peace of mind. Number 10. Precise measurements can make or break a project, whether you're working on DIY repairs, 3D printing, or even jewelry making. The Hardell digital caliper takes the hassle out of measuring with its rechargeable design. No more scrambling for button batteries. A quick 20-minute charge gives you months of use, and the auto-off feature saves energy when you forget to power down. What really stands out is the large orange display. It's crisp, easy to read, and gentle on the eyes, even in low-light workshops. Switching between inches, millimeters, or fractions is effortless, and with 4 modes, inside, outside, depth, and step, you're covered for almost any task. Built from stainless steel, it feels solid in your hand, with smooth roller control and a secure lock for accuracy down to 0.001 inches. It's a reliable, professional-grade tool that makes measuring simple, precise, and stress-free for everyday projects.